Welcome to the PaTTAN website. My name is Nicole Kopko, and I'm an educational consultant at Pennsylvania's Training and Technical Assistance Network, otherwise known as PaTTAN or PaTTAN. The intent of this video tutorial is to acquaint you with the process of accessing PaTTAN's website to order and/or download PaTTAN publications. Did you know that you can order and/or download as many PaTTAN publications as you want or need entirely free of charge to you and your LEA simply by creating a user account and password? And once you place an order, our publications department will ship your order to you entirely free of charge as well. The process for ordering and/or downloading PaTTAN publications is very simple. Let's get started. Step 1, you will need to access the PaTTAN website at PaTTAN.net or PaTTAN.net. Please note some PaTTAN publications are no longer being printed by our publications department, but there may still be an option to download them from our site. Step 2, place your mouse over the Resources tab on the blue navigation bar near the top of the web page and scroll down on the drop menu to click on PaTTAN Publications. Once you're on the Publications page, you have some options for finding the publications that you're looking for and/or checking out our collections or featured PaTTAN publications. The blue text is hyperlinked for ease of navigation on the page. You can conduct a search of PaTTAN publications by typing the name of the publication that you're looking for or topic of interest into the Search PaTTAN Publications window on the right-hand side of the Publications webpage. For example, let's do a search for the Teacher Desk Reference series. Once I type in the Teacher Desk Reference series into the search window, I would click on the arrow to take me to those publications. Once there, I would click on the title of the publication that I wanted to order and/or download. In this example, I am clicking on the Teacher Desk Reference for Designing Effective Homework. And my choices are either to download the publication or I can add it to my cart. For this example, I'm going to add it to my cart. Once I click on Add to Cart, it will take me to the login screen, if not previously logged into your account. Please note, the account for ordering publications is not the same as your account for registering for trainings. If you've already created an account, simply type in your email and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on the blue hyperlink text to register here. Fill in the registration information to open an account and log in. I'm going to go back because I already have a user login, and I'm going to type in my user login and password. Again, since I'm already logged in, you can see up here it says Hi Nicole and my account. I don't have anything in my cart at this time, so I'm going to add this publication to my cart. Now you can see from this yellow navigation bar that you have an option with hyperlink text to view your cart. Okay, so I'm going to view my cart. When I view my cart, I can just decide on the number of publications that I want to order. At this point, I have one publication in my cart as the Teacher's Desk Reference for Designing Effective Homework. If I wanted to order 100 copies, I would simply put in the number 100 in the quantity and I would check out. As you can see, when I added that to my cart, the gray button, or the blue button, has turned to gray and indicated that this item is in my cart. When you're all done adding those publications and you've viewed your cart and have determined the number of publications that you want to order, you simply check out. So I would push the checkout button to place my order. I'm not going to do that because I don't want our publications department to send me 100 copies of this particular publication. But if I did want that, I would simply select checkout, and then the process would be done and the publications would be shipped to me free of charge. Please feel free to reach out to us with any comments or questions that you may have regarding PaTTAN publications. Thank you and have a nice day.